How do you create something that people love and take it to a whole new level? The OYeet NEX Pro massage gun is the ultimate experience to your wellness journey. Combining both power and convenience, it offers you the most efficient way to get back into training in no time.
The OYeet NEX Pro is a game changer. Percussive therapy is smarter than ever. You can reset, recharge, and resume during game breaks.
With the latest flagship NEX Power technology, the OYeet NEX Pro is more powerful and precise than before. The key to a true muscle treatment is a precise amplitude. Improved by its ability to reach 40% deeper into the muscle and 60% stronger than other massagers. The highly efficient battery reduces the total weight of the NEX Pro by 50%.
I like to challenge myself with weightlifting, and this unique metal flat is really cool and great for dense muscles. It gives you twice as much power to hit that right spot you need, hard and intense.
The cushion curl attachment perfectly simulates large and small muscle groups with uniform intensity.
I never thought I could use this little wedge to scrape my IT bands. It feels surprisingly nice.
Working closely with some of the best athletes in NFL, NBA, and professional, we have developed 8 innovative attachments to meet your needs.
Pressure sensor indicator, you can know how much pressure you put in on yourself or your clients.
Athletes expect the best, from the clothes they wear to the tools they use. So we have used only the best materials to create an ergonomic yet versatile massage gun, made from specially developed glass fibers and liquid silicone rubber. This means that the OYeet NEX Pro is stronger, more durable, and more ergodynamic than ever before.
Through direct feedback from professional athletes, OYeet understands what really matters to you. It is incredible to see what OYeet has done and continues to do with its cutting-edge technology in the wellness industry.
No doubt about performance or portability, you can take the NEX Pro with you anytime, anywhere. The ultimate experience to your wellness journey. OYeet NEX Pro.